We'll guide you through how to check your Gmail password in your Google account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've forgotten it and so you want to go and be reminded of it and you want to be able to go and see it. And you want to try doing this before going through the reset process, as that can be annoying, and hopefully with the help of this video, you're going to be able to go and see and view it. So make sure this full guide and you don't skip anything, as we're covering important steps throughout this whole guide. And hopefully at the end, you're going to be able to go and see it. So to go and get started with this, you need to go and swipe up on your device like so. Now what you need to do is go and find settings, so you can go and swipe across until you find it, or press search at the top and go and type in settings and we can open it up like so. In here, you then want to go down and go and find the option for Google. Scroll down and there it is. You then want to go and tap on it like so. Wait for it to load. Now here you can go and see your account and you want to go and tap on it like so and you'll go and get this pop-up. And what you can then do is press Google account like this. This will go and open up. Now what you want to do is you want to go and find security and sign in. In here you can then go and scroll down to the bottom and you should go and find password manager. Otherwise you can press search at the top and go and type in password manager and you can tap on it. And then you can go down here and you can go and find Google or Gmail. Most likely it'll be saved under google.com and you can search at the top. Go and tap on it and go and enter in your PIN like so and press continue or your other screen lock and you can then see the accounts here you've got saved. Press the I to the right and you can go and reveal it or go and copy it. Hopefully be able to go and see it. Otherwise you may need to go and check your different Google accounts if you've got them on the device. If you found this useful, then leave a like for more.